make some spinach and corn casserole, which is not only healthy but also free from any white sauce or cream. Ingredients for spinach and corn casserole are half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of butter unsalted, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes or vegan cheese, which is also high on vitamin B12. It is also a very good substitute for vegetarians because this is one of the only ingredients which has vitamin B12 readily available. 1 medium size onion chopped, 1 cup milk, 2 cups of corn, sweet corn, 2 cups of mashed potatoes, and we have about 2 cups of chopped spinach. Let's start with the base of the casserole by sauteing spinach and corn together. So I've heated the pan here now and we're going to pour in some olive oil. Some onions, and chopped garlic. Saute it until soft and slightly translucent. So our onions are nice and translucent. So we're going to add some corn to it. We're going to add some spinach into the mixed corn and onion and garlic mixture and add some salt to taste and some pepper, crushed pepper. I prefer crushed pepper than powdered pepper because it gives you a nice flavor to the entire dish. Mix well, allow it to cook for about 5 minutes and then we should be done. So our spinach and corn saute is ready here. So we are going to make the next layer, which is the mashed potato layer. First let's add some mashed potato. Milk, butter, some salt and pepper. The reason we add a little bit of milk in it to make it a nice and creamy mixture rather than making it dry, because once this goes into the oven it tends to become a little dry on top. Mix well until smooth. So our mashed potatoes is nice and creamy and ready. So we're going to use ceramic casseroles. I'm going to plate them individually and they're going to go into the oven individually packed. You can also use big size casseroles for family size, but I like mine to plate them in these nice casseroles, colorful casseroles. So take a nice helping of spinach and corn. Put in our spinach and corn sauteed at the base layer. This is a very healthy recipe even for the kids. They get to have their greens in their meal. So we have filled it about halfway through our casserole with the greens, and now goes the mashed potatoes. Flatten it a bit to layer it well. And sprinkle it with some cheese or nutritional yeast flakes. So our first casserole is ready. So let's go on with the next one. The same way we're going to layer it with corn and spinach. So these are ready to go into a preset oven set at 180 degrees centigrade. We'll be baking for about 10 to 15 minutes and also depends on your oven settings. Our spinach and corn casserole is now ready to eat. Best had it with some toasted bread. For more such recipes, log on to India Food Network and we look forward to your comments and feedback.